Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ishaq Hussain Dipra and today's host for this podcast of English Language Center Bangladesh. Today in our studio we have a special guest.
Hello everyone, I'm Salwan bin Islam.
And today on this podcast we'll be discussing, is a smartphone better than a laptop? So Salwan, what do you think? Is a smartphone better than a laptop?
Well, I think it totally depends on the usage. Well, if a person needs a device for daily use, then smartphones are definitely better than laptops.
Well, who do you think benefits the most from these smartphones?
I think those who just needs a device for daily purposes like communicating and other stuffs, to whom I guess smartphones are more useful.
Let's flip the coin. Now, what do you think? Who benefits more with laptops?
Well, in case of laptops, I think those who need a device for professional works or official works, laptops are best for them.
Well, what do you think? What's the effects of these smartphones on our entertainment?
Well, we get various types of entertainments from phones, but sometimes it also gets addictive to us. So it also has some harmful sides.
Personally, I think laptop is good for multitasking. What do you think?
Yes, it definitely is, but same as the smartphones. If you use a laptop for several hours, just wasting time, then it's also harmful for you.
What's your opinion on which can be used for long term?
Well, I think smartphones can be used for long terms as it has a small screen than the laptops, but both of us is harmful for our eyes and all our minds. So, yeah.
Well, thank you for answering the questions.
Well, I also have some questions. May I ask you?
Well, sure, go on ahead.
What do you think? Do people use smartphones more than laptops?
When I go to a workplace, I see that people are always using laptops, computers. But on the street, I see many people using smartphones. So I guess smartphones are more popular in the public.
Okay. So, what do you think? What are the advantages of smartphones?
Well, first of all, they are portable, of course, and
Mm.
they always help us stay connected with our friends and family. So it helps in overall communication and socialization amongst all the people.
And what about laptops? What are the advantages of laptop?
For example, when I'm working, I usually do really long tasks, large tasks, and work on huge projects. For example, if I do rendering, then I really need a laptop with high storage. In that case, I cannot use a smartphone or any portable device like smartphones. So in that sense, I use a laptop, and it's a prime advantage of having a laptop.
Okay. Well, what do you think? Is smartphone more convenient than a laptop?
In a work sense, yes, but again, when we are communicating, we really need a smartphone because even though laptops are portable, they take up a lot of space and really need a lot of care. So you need a smartphone for your convenience.
Okay. So that was all of my questions.
Thank you. So that was it for our podcast. I hope you all enjoyed and stay tuned for the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.